Hello everybody, I'm Lucas Stringer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to post on Sketchfab. So, I had another video on how to use Sketchfab and how to download stuff from Sketchfab, but this is the video on how to post things. You can see there's just an upload right here. You're going to click that, drag, drop, or browse. But first, I'm going to need to export this as an OBJ or FBX or whatever file you like. Sketchfab can take most of them. So I'm just going to click on File, Export, Wavefront OBJ, Motor Mount OBJ to Downloads folder, and you can see down here, File exported successfully. Then I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go into my Files folder, Downloads, and I'm going to see the OBJ right here, so I'm going to drag and drop. If it will drag and drop. Yep, there. Motor Mount OBJ. So, upload files, and it's processing right now. Categories, let's see, architecture. Loading 3D model, I just want to see. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Add tags, motor mount. There. This is and then it's gonna have that, and then you can click all these stuff over here, download free, or there's a store. You can join Fab and sell 3D models. You can become a seller. I'm just gonna click free. And then I'm going to save and publish. And your model has been published. Go to see my model. Motor mount. This is it. And yeah. I believe there should be... I'm going to reload the page. Yeah, download 3D model. And it's going to have all these converted formats, but OBJ is the original format, and it shows you the size. But yeah, that is how to post on there. This is pretty cool because it can show all the textures just like this, and not a VR room. And as you can see, it's gonna say now available on Fab. Get it on Fab. This is pretty cool. I wouldn't buy I wouldn't buy any 3D models. But if you really if that's the only one, you should buy it then. If you're working on a project and you really need the model, then I would buy it, yeah. But this has no texture. I'm going to remove this because I don't want, this is not really a real post, but if you want to upload, feel free to. It's great. But yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day, everybody.